We'll do a little hobbling, a little sore.
I got a turf burn and I'm bleeding.
Oh no, because you were playing dirty?
I wasn't playing dirty. It was really nice.
You're rocking it. Grabbing some Buc-ee's on the way home, then Jude's gonna drive us.
Yeah.
Texas cheesesteak, some beaver nuggets for our man with the amazing metabolism.
Yeah, I was telling Coach, I had a big, a double quarter pounder, you know?
Yeah.
Before the game yesterday, he just burst out laughing.
I was telling the guys, some of the parents, the same thing, and they're like, where does he put that? Where does he put the quarter pounder? I was like, dude, that kid eats more than me. It's awesome.
He doesn't.
Mom! Yeah!
Good job, Lincoln. Look at him walking.
It's almost like you designed the perfect nook for a Christmas tree.
This one goes in first, right?
Yeah.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Mom.
Are you saying hi? You're so cute. Okay, guys, so we had fully planned. You're so excited. He really wants to. He's helping. Lincoln is helping us fluff the tree. And we had planned on buying a new tree this year for the new house. And it has been complete and total chaos in our lives lately.
Can't wait any longer.
And we just got out of the hospital again for like the 5th time, and we're very grateful for that, but we haven't had a lot of time to be like decorating or buying any decorations or a new tree or anything like that. So I don't know if maybe we'll get one like a little bit later, or if we're just gonna like make do with this one more year. But it is,
Well, we'll keep this one.
You know.
We'll just put it in our bedroom next year.
yeah.
And we'll have a very
It's
large.
a 7 foot, I think it says 7 feet, but like that's not that much taller than you, and you're over 6 feet, so, or I guess you are 6
I am
feet.
6 feet.
Yeah, so
But like, it's like
a very well loved tree this year, and honestly, I'm okay with that
it's
because
nostalgic.
it
We got it in
is.
St. Louis 10 years ago.
We did. We got it when the kids were younger. We've had it with us.
The
So
lights
even though it's
don't
kind of
work
small, we do
So
need to
I've
fluff
been-
it some more.
Cutting off all the lights because they don't work anymore. This is like a pre-lit tree, but they only last.
Yeah, Linky, do you like the Christmas tree? You do, and you've got your book, huh? So we're gonna go ahead and fluff this tree, see if we can get at least some lights on it, and then we will go ahead and put the ornaments on. I think we're honestly gonna probably keep it pretty simple this year, even though it is the first year in our house, and I had envisioned kind of going all out and getting lots of really beautiful decorations and just making it really, really fun. It's still gonna be fun, but probably just a little bit more simple, and that's okay. You wanna say hi? Oh, wow, so nice. Okay, so the tree is mostly fluffed here.
Mom!
Yeah, did you help
Yeah.
fluff the tree, Lincoln?
Yeah.
You did. The tree is pretty well
Mom.
fluffed. Oh, I can see a little gap right there.
I'm working. Because I'm turning it around. I'm getting it all
Oh,
around.
that's the backside.
now. I don't want to skimp on the backside. You know?
Even though it's gonna be in the corner. You can probably see it through the window there though.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lincoln, you're a good helper. Our floor is like covered. You see like how many little pine needles and stuff. We're gonna have to go ahead and vacuum again. And then we're gonna go ahead and put up the lights and some ornaments, and we're just keeping it super, super chill. The kids are like coming and going. Some of them are making hot cocoa, and we just have some Christmas music going, and we're just going to have a very relaxing evening, getting all of our Christmas stuff up. One more kiss, yes. Mwah. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh yeah. See how that's how it goes. He just wants to put the cookies in.
Okay, that's enough, bro. You didn't. No, you didn't. Put this one in. Think and put the marshmallow.
These are what go on top. That's what goes on top. Look.
Mom.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Oh my goodness.
Good job. You wanna try it now? You wanna try it?
Higher. Careful, it's hot.
Oh, did you get it? Was it good?
Mom.
You got a cocoa face. Yeah, he wants to be our little buddy. Look at that. So we got a good haircut, didn't we, Linky? Yes, we did.
Getting these like luxury home magazines from all the shops around town, and like I think I'm gonna get to go through them, but he always snags them first. He's like
Lincoln
obsessed.
loves magazines. He really does.
I love
He's
it.
like, "Woo, Dad brought home another one." Yeah, that's a good one, huh, Linky? So good. High five.
Oh, good job.
Yeah, so we got all dressed up today and we went over to a little farm. There's like a cute little farm in our area, and they had some fun little like holiday festivities and stuff, so we took the little kids over there and met up with some friends, and so that was really fun.
It was so funny. There was like a huge pig, like just a massive pig, and like Reese bent down to like pet goat, and the pig came up to Reese and was like trying to like snuggle up with Reese, and she was like, what the?
Yeah, that was kind of interesting. So Reese
funny.
came along with us because she loves animals, and there were some animals up for adoption, and so she's like, let me just check this out.
There were animals for adoption?
Yeah, there were.
Did we adopt any?
We did not adopt any this time. Did not. Right, Linky?
Like,
this time we didn't. We just had some fun little pets and stuff. But I feel like this whole vlog has just been kind of crazy, scatterbrained. It's just been like a little bit of this here and there. And honestly, like this past season has felt just chaotic and really traumatic even for us, and in various ways for different people, but it's just been a lot of hard and a lot of unexpected and
a lot of just wishing that you could catch a break kind of thing.
Yeah, we're so grateful that Lincoln is home now because for weeks on end he was in the hospital, and that was so incredibly scary. If you guys didn't see our previous video, he was in the hospital for over 2 weeks and had sepsis and meningitis, and it was incredibly scary for a while there. Much scarier than just the routine brain surgeries that he has been having as well, which obviously brain surgeries are a big deal, but this was just on a different level of scary and just lasted so long. And then with Penelope with her surgery and then other life circumstances, there's just been a lot of really challenging things happening all at the same time. And so this has just been, it's been hard to kind of keep up with the vlog and just various things like that.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, this video is probably not the most cohesive, but you know, we're doing our best here. And so we just wanted to kind of update you guys because I know that a lot of you guys care about our family and especially our kiddos, and particularly Lincoln and how he was doing, and Penelope with her surgery and all of that. And they're both doing so well now. And so we're very, very grateful for that. Grateful that we were finally able to put up the Christmas tree, because that was something, you know, Steven wants to put up the Christmas tree in like September. And so it was well into December by the time we put up the tree this year, but we just couldn't, you know, do it any other way. So
we're just ready to be able to like vlog things that are not like, we went to the hospital again, we're back in like,
and again,
so
and
to
again.
get to do like some Christmas stuff and just get to do life like sort of quasi normally. I think we're still a little bit like waiting to see somewhat for Lincoln. Like I you know, because we've thought 4 times now that it was going to be, that was the end. You know, we're good. We're finally good. So we're just trying to take it easy and rest and really be a family together, because we weren't together for 2 weeks. Like we were separated.
And longer than that.
And longer than that, really. But specifically for 2 weeks straight. So just, man.
It's been really challenging, and like honestly the past week or so I've had multiple days where it was like, we're doing the basics. We're making sure everybody's fed and bathed, and that's about it. And so I think it's important to realize that there's different seasons in everybody's life. And some seasons things are great and you're busy and you know it's wonderful, and there's other seasons where it's just really hard, and it's important to be able to recognize that and slow down and even be able to grieve and wrestle with hard things. And you don't have to just keep going and be productive when there's a lot of hard things. You know, I think it's important to be able to like recognize that. And so for our family, you want to say hi again? Yeah.
He's like, I agree with you, Mom. That's good.
Say, I do agree.
Slow down a little bit. Tell Dad that, because he needs to learn how to do that better.
Steven has so many wonderful strengths. Slowing down is not one of them.
I am a workaholic to the max, man, and it drives me nuts, so I can't, you know.
But this has
I've
been
tried so hard to,
This has been a good exercise for you, right?
Yeah.
And like learning to slow down and like being able to like feel what's really going on and not just brush it aside and keep going, because I think that can be really damaging long term. And so we're learning to do that together. And yeah, we're just gonna take it a day at a time. And this Christmas season is gonna look a little different than it has for us in previous years. I think we're not gonna be doing all the things, and you know, like for us really it is gonna be about just slowing down, being in the moment, being grateful, loving our family, and being present. And so that's how we're gonna do it this year. There'll still be some fun stuff for the kids and all of that, but
we're in our home, man. We're in our home. Like it's our first Christmas in our home. Like we're just so happy. I mean, if there's just so much to be grateful for. Like beyond thankful. And so we're so thankful for you guys as well.
Yeah, we are very, very grateful, and we'll be counting those blessings as we slow down, because we can do both. So yeah, my parents are actually coming in town again later today. My dad just got his pilot's license. He had bought a small plane and had been practicing and taking lessons and all of that, and he just passed whatever the final class was. And so we are going to be having a little dinner with them and being able to just kind of hang out. I love that they're over this direction a little bit more, especially recently, and so it's been really wonderful to have them around. And so we're just gonna kind of have a quiet evening. The older kids are all doing their own thing. They have some activities that they're gonna go to tonight after dinner, and that's just kind of the season that we're in, is where like the older kids are doing their thing, and then we're at home with the littles, and sometimes we'll do like full family things. But I will say there is a part of me as a mom that is a little sad that it's changing a little bit because
Yeah.
as kids get older and they're 17, 18, 19 years old, you know, and Reese is 20, they are more independent and they're doing more of their own things, and they're like going to their own Christmas parties versus having like Christmas parties, you know, at home.
It's so hard to schedule anything anymore because it's
Yeah.
like on Monday night, Penny's got work. On Tuesday night, Jude's got soccer. On, you know, it's like every night
Lots of
there's
stuff.
something. And it's like even when we went to get our family photos taken, it was like, what night
It
can we
was
do
hard
it?
to find the day that-
Like it was nuts. Like just to get everybody together for photos, man. Like,
Yeah,
it's-
but we made
it's
it happen.
insane, so.
We did make it happen. That made me very happy. So anyways, I think we just wanted to kind of sit down and catch up with you guys. It's been weeks since we've checked in, and yeah, it'll just be a little bit of a slower pace this season, and that's okay. And we are so grateful that we know you guys understand that there have been times where we've had to slow down in the past, and you guys have been so supportive and encouraging and just saying, hey, do what you need to do. And so we're so grateful for you guys as a community that have just loved us really well and supported us, and so thank you for that. Anyways, we're gonna order some Mexican food because that's my dad's favorite, and we're gonna go get everything ready for them to be here in just a little bit. But thanks so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back